Greetings everyone, I am Komal. Welcome back to my channel Tech Learning. Today we are going to cover the topic data types in MS Access. As you all know that we create tables in Microsoft Access. So a table consists of, or a table is a combination of rows and columns. We call rows as records as well, and we call columns as fields. So what is a field? A field describes what type of data we are going to enter in a specific column. And what does a data type define? What does a data type define? Data type determines the type of data a specific field can accept. डेटा टाइप क्या बताएगा कि जो हमारा फील्ड है वो किस तरह का डेटा एक्सेप्ट करने वाला है, हम किस तरह की वैल्यू वहाँ पर एंटर करने वाले हैं. And when you define a data type, then you cannot enter another type of data in that particular field. For example, you have defined a field with data type text. So you cannot enter numbers there. You cannot enter simply numbers there. You can enter alphanumeric data there. We will see it with an example. And if you try to enter different type of data, then it will show an error that you have entered an invalid value. So let's discuss the data types in detail. So first is text data type. First is text data type. What type of data does it contain? It is a combination of text and numbers. It is a combination of text and numbers. Or we can say it contains alphanumeric data. It contains alphanumeric data. And what is the data limit? 255 characters. 255 characters is the limit. The field's limit is 255 characters. Any field will be containing 255 characters of the text data type. And what do we enter with the help of text data type? What are the examples? We can enter address of any friend, any relative or any colleague, or you can enter phone numbers. Now second is number data type. Second is number data type. This data type includes the numeric information that you can use for calculations. A number data type can store integer values as well as decimal values. It means floating point values like 61.50. This is a decimal value. And what is the maximum size limit? Maximum size limit is 16 bytes. So a number data type is used to do calculations. Now third is memo data type. Third one is memo data type. This is used to add some comments, to describe some notes. In short, when we want to describe something in descriptive manner, then we use memo data type, and its limit is 65,536 characters. I hope you are clear up to now. The fourth data type is date and time data type. We use this data type to store data such as date of birth, date of joining, date of leaving, etc. Calculations related to date, only related to date. Calculations related to date can be done in this type of data field, and its maximum value to store the data is 8 bytes. Now the fifth type of data is auto number. The fifth type of data is auto number. It generates a sequential number when a new record is added to a table. For example, you have already added 4 fields in a table and then you are entering record here, so it will generate the number 5 automatically. This is the main work of this data type, and you cannot change that sequence. And this type of data is generally used to generate the sequence, and its maximum limit is 4 bytes, and we can make it a primary key as well. We will cover this concept in next video. Sixth data type is yes or no data type. As the name already clarifies, what does it do? It is used at the places where a field can have only one possible value. It can either be true or it can be false. Yes or no, we can say on or off data type as well. For example, a student can be either male or female. So we will use yes or no data type. Next is OLE data type. Seventh data type is OLE data type, object linking and embedding. Object linking and embedding. What do you understand by it? It is used to embed an object created in another application. For example, you want to embed any PowerPoint presentation or Excel spreadsheet into your Access table. आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप कोई Access table बना रहे हो जिसमें आप क्या करना चाहते हो, कोई और PowerPoint प्रेजेंटेशन आप ऐड करना चाहते हो या फिर एक्सेल स्प्रेडशीट को लिंक करना चाहते हो. दैट इज नोन एज ऑब्जेक्ट लिंकिंग एंड एम्बेडिंग. Its maximum limit is 2 GB. It can embed 2 GB of data into it. Next data type is hyperlink. Now this type of data stores links to web pages, websites, or LAN on your computer. Basically, its main purpose is to link to the web pages, linking to web pages, websites, and it can store maximum 1 GB of data. Now next is lookup wizard. A lookup wizard helps you to create a field whose values are chosen from values in another table. And by default its type is number data type. Next is attachment. Next data type is attachment. As the name itself suggests, attachment can be any images, files, documents, charts, and any other type of supported file. That you can record in your database, and it is very similar to the way we can attach anything in our mail. Whenever we send any email to any person, then we can attach these all things. Similarly, you can attach an attachment in Access table as well. Next data type is calculated data type. This type of data type is used when a user creates table fields that calculate values. जब हमें values को calculate करना होता है, the calculations can include values from fields in the same table, or we can use inbuilt functions as well. ये calculations जो हम करेंगे, ये किसके बिहाफ पे करेंगे, या तो जो हमारी टेबल है उसी में से कुछ फील्ड्स की वैल्यूज़ पे, या फिर बिल्ट इन फंक्शंस को अप्लाई करके. एंड दीज आर मोस्टली यूज्ड in case of queries, forms or tables. Now the last is rich text. You can format the text using color and font controls. You can color the text, or you can say formatting of text, and font controls as well. You can change the font style of the text as well. That data type is known as rich text data type. So we are done with our today's topic. We have covered all the data types of MS Access. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. We will meet in the next video. Stay tuned, guys.